Hello everyone, my name is Naveed Anwar. I am from the Asian Institute of Technology, AIT, and I am a structural engineer by profession and training. I have been fortunate to be working on various aspects of structural engineering for over 35 years as a consulting engineer, as an instructor and a lecturer in AIT, teaching postgraduate students in master's and PhD, on working with software development, on research, working with the professionals, and most importantly, interacting through workshops and training programs with thousands of professionals over the years. During this time, I have learned a few things, and I also know what challenges there are that we haven't learned or we do not understand well at this time. Through this series that we are going to talk about, which is the building blocks of structural engineering, we are going to look at some of the key concepts that are necessary for the structural engineers to understand well, so they can use those basic concepts and basic tools to then understand more complex subjects, as well as to carry out the design of structures which will then create a safer built environment. Because structural engineering basically is everywhere. It is the basis for all of the built environment that we see, whether it be building, bridges, tunnels, dams, transmission towers, anything that is built up, the structural engineering and structural engineers are involved. So having a deep understanding of the concepts behind the various aspects of engineering is going to help us to be able to solve these challenges and to understand the response and to be able to provide good solutions. The building blocks that we are going to talk about may range from very simple ones, in fact as simple as calculating the properties of a cross-section, to as detailed and as complex as the performance-based design of tall buildings, nonlinear dynamic analysis of bridges, considering the soil structure interactions, and so on. So there is a whole range of subjects that we will cover during these talks. And each talk is going to be more or less independent, and they are not in a particular order. So I hope that engineers will find each unit of this building block to be useful to clearing some concepts, to invite them to think more, to study more, to learn more, and to share more. So I look forward for you to joining me in this series, and I also look forward to your comments and feedback, so then we can have a greater interaction and we can share more information and knowledge with each other. So thank you so much, and look forward to seeing all of you in this series.